Hey, welcome to TutorialLore. This video explains how the 7SHIFTS app works and how it can help restaurant owners and shift-based teams manage scheduling, communication, and labor compliance more efficiently. 7SHIFTS is a team management app specifically built for restaurants, offering scheduling tools, time tracking, shift swapping, and team messaging all in one platform. Managers can create and publish employee schedules in minutes, automatically factoring in availability, labor laws, and sales forecasts. Staff members receive real-time notifications when their schedules are published or updated, and they can request time off or swap shifts directly through the app, reducing confusion and manual tracking. One standout feature of 7SHIFTS is its labor compliance and overtime control. The app helps ensure that you're staying within labor budget targets by providing projected versus actual labor costs and alerting you if a shift will result in unnecessary overtime. It also includes built-in break compliance features that vary by state or region, helping businesses stay legally protected. Another useful feature is the in-app team chat, which makes communication faster and more centralized. You can send announcements or messages to the entire team or specific groups. Plus, with integration options for POS systems like Toast, Square, and Clover, your staffing decisions can be guided by real-time sales data. Users have highlighted the app's ability to save time on scheduling and reduce labor cost errors. Many appreciate how easy it is for employees to use, especially when it comes to shift reminders and submitting time-off requests. On the downside, some users report occasional syncing issues with their POS systems or mention that the mobile app sometimes lags when accessing older schedules. Based on recent feedback, managers love how the app streamlines their workflow and helps keep the team organized. Employees appreciate the transparency it offers for their hours and the fairness in scheduling it promotes. However, some users suggest that offline access and deeper analytics would improve the overall experience. In conclusion, 7SHIFTS is a reliable and focused solution for restaurant teams looking to improve scheduling efficiency, reduce labor costs, and simplify communication. If you're managing a shift-based team and need a better way to handle the day-to-day, 7SHIFTS is definitely worth exploring. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.